Hello my dear students, welcome to mathematics class. Dear students, in this video we are going to start chapter 14 symmetry of your NCERT book. In this chapter we will learn about the symmetrical objects in our day-to-day life and we will learn the line of symmetries also. So let us start with unit 14. This is chapter number 14. Here in the introduction part also you can see that in the nature also as well as in human activities also we used to see the symmetrical objects. And where do we use this? Like in architecture, in this mechanical engineering also, and in nature also you can see the symmetrical objects. Like if you see in architecture field, when we build a building, we used to keep the things in mind that each and everything should be symmetrical. सिमेट्रिकल मतलब होता है कि जितना हमारा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का पोर्शन होता है एग्जैक्टली उतना ही हम राइट में रखें, या तो लेफ़्ट राइट सिमेट्रिकल हो या टॉप बॉटम सिमेट्रिकल हो, लाइक इन दिस वे. लाइक इन दिस बिल्डिंग, इन दिस पिक्चर यू कैन सी दिस लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. ये लाइन दिख रही है, अगर मैं ये लाइन से मैं हाफ कर देती हूँ तो एग्जैक्टली जो लेफ़्ट पार्ट है वो एग्जैक्टली सेम है किसके, राइट पार्ट के. सेम हियर इन केस ऑफ दिस मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग आप देख सकते हैं, यू कैन सी दिस पिक्चर ऑफ अ कार. हेयर दिस इज़ द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. यहाँ से हाफ किया गया, तो जब हमने हाफ किया यू कैन सी द लेफ्ट part of this car is exactly similar to the right part of this car. Same here, an example of nature also given to you in the picture. This tortoise is there. So the God has also made the creatures in such a way that their left and right parts are symmetrical. You can see if we will draw this line of symmetry like this, the upper this part is exactly the same as this part of this turtle. So the line which makes the two objects, which divides the two objects into exactly same parts, that line is known as line of symmetry. And an object can have 0 line of symmetry, 1 line of symmetry, or 2 or more lines of symmetry. Here also you can see some symmetrical pictures, and now let us start with some other slides also. Here in this picture dear students you can see these pecks. मैं कहाँ पर लाइन बनाऊँ, लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री मैं वर्टिकल बनाऊँ या हॉरिजॉन्टल बनाऊँ, कैसे बनाऊँ सो दैट बोथ द पार्ट्स will appear same. So I have drawn this vertical line of symmetry, and if we'll look at its left hand side, that is exactly same to its right hand side. So both the parts are exactly symmetrical. Same here with, and you can see in this example a glass carrying water. If I'll draw this vertical symmetry, then the left part of this glass appears exactly equal to the right part. Same, your class blackboard also is one of the example. If we draw the line vertically, then also we'll get exactly two left and right symmetrical parts, and if we will draw it horizontally also, then also you will get the symmetrical parts. Here is an example of this door. So let us see some more examples. In this picture, this is the natural creature, this butterfly. See, this is the line of symmetry. Because why we call it as line of symmetry? Because after making this, we can see this part of the butterfly is exactly similar to the right part of this butterfly. This is the line of symmetry of a pot. Left hand part is exactly similar to right hand part. This is the line of symmetry of a smiley. If I'll draw it horizontally, you can see, तो हॉरिजॉन्टल बनाने पर वो हमारे ऊपर और नीचे वाले पार्ट सिमेट्रिकल नहीं बनेंगे. So here are few more examples. You can see this apple. If I have drawn this vertical line, then this will become line of symmetry because both the parts after making it are exactly equal in case of this. In case of this heart picture also, in case of beetle also. This is aeroplanes. While making the aeroplane, the mechanical engineers keep this thing in mind that their left wing should be exactly in the same shape and same weight as that of the right one to maintain the balance. So this is very important while making the house also, while making the indicators on the roads, while making the signals, traffic signals also, we use this chapter, symmetry. Here also you can see the scissor, that if I'll make this line of symmetry, then the left part of the scissor is exactly equal to the right hand part. So in this picture of Taj Mahal also you can see that if we will draw this vertical line of symmetry, then each and every part, left hand side part, is exactly similar to right hand side. Like while constructing it, आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर अगर दो झरोखे बना रखे हैं तो यहाँ भी दो झरोखे हैं. Two more are there, then two more. These pillars are there, exactly same pillars are on the right hand side. So this is very important in different fields. The symmetry chapter is very important in different fields. One more example of this lotus temple is there in front of you. You can see two wings, two petals are there in front of us, and this temple, and two are here, exactly similar. This is the line of symmetry of this temple. तो जितना exactly left side में ये दिख रहा है वैसा ही exactly right में दिख रहा है. So this is all about the symmetry. While constructing this temple, तो जो constructors थे, they kept this thing in their mind that how to make it beautiful, and they made it beautiful using the symmetry chapters, using the knowledge of symmetry. In our alphabets also, from A to Z, some of the letters are there which gives us the line of symmetry. That means after making the line of symmetry, they become identical on both the sides of that line. Here are some example of shapes also. So we can give the definition to a symmetry also. A line of symmetry divides an object into two equal halves. कि जो दोनों हाफ होंगे वो एग्जैक्टली क्या होंगे, हाफ इक्वल होंगे. वन हाफ इज़ अ मिरर इमेज ऑफ द अदर. जैसे अगर हम खड़े हो जाते हैं इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर, विल स्टैंड, वी लुक सिमिलर टू आर इमेज लुक सिमिलर टू आर रियल अपीयरेंस. Now very important point to note down, dear students, what are the possibilities in case of line of symmetry? There might be no line of symmetry. हो सकता है किसी object की कोई line of symmetry ना हो. Some objects have one line of symmetry, some have two or more lines of symmetry. So here few examples are there. Here you can see the picture of a scale. This is vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry. 2 हो गई है. Then number 3, this diagonal line of symmetry. Number 4, this diagonal line of symmetry. Means this square has 4 line of symmetries. Here an alphabet X is there. It has only one line of symmetry. And here this picture is there. It has 2 line of symmetry. One is vertical and other is horizontal. Here you can observe this picture. It has no line of symmetry. हम कोई भी ऐसी line नहीं draw कर सकते इसे divide करने के लिए जिससे हमें exactly same image मिले. If I'll draw vertical line of symmetry, see the left part will be different from the right part. So it is not having any line of symmetry. If I'll draw the horizontal line of symmetry, इस तरह से हॉरिजॉन्टल स्लीपिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करती हूँ, देन ऑल्सो द अपर एंड लोअर पार्ट विल बी डिफरेंट. सो इट हैज़ नो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. Some more geometrical figures are there in front of you which are having some line of symmetries, like this isosceles triangle. If the triangle is isosceles, then it has only one line of symmetry. But if the equilateral triangle is there, then it has 3 line of symmetries. If scalene triangle is there, then it has no line of symmetry. Then in case of rectangle, we have 2 line of symmetries. One is vertical and other is horizontal. This is an example of equilateral triangle. 1 line of symmetry, 2 and 3, because all sides, all angles are equal, so we can draw the line of symmetry from either of the vertex. Here in case of square we have 1, 2, 3, 4 line of symmetries, whereas in case of rectangle we have only 2. Here parallelogram we have no line of symmetry. अगर हम इसमें देखें, we do not have any line of symmetry. Circle has infinite line of symmetry. Circle में हम किसी भी तरह से draw करें, line of symmetry means a line which is passing through the center of the circle, that definitely divides it into two equal parts, exactly equal parts. So we can say a circle has infinite line of symmetries. So in the book also, dear students, on page number 266 you can see some symmetrical figures. This is horizontal line of symmetry. Horizontal कब बोलेंगे? When we make it in a sleeping mode. This is vertical. जब standing line of symmetry है, we call it vertical. जब sleeping form में लेटी हुई line बनाते हैं, this is horizontal line of symmetry. This is symmetry. This is line of symmetry diagonally. This is vertical. Line of symmetry for regular polygons. Regular means होता है the polygons having all sides equal and all angles equal. So जितनी हमारी vertex होंगी उतनी line of symmetry होती है if it is regular, means if all sides are equal. Like it is having 3 vertices, 3 line of symmetries. One will be like this vertical, then this one and this one like this using scale. This is a sphere. It is a regular polygon because all sides are equal. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 line of symmetries. दो diagonal बना के दिखाई हुई हैं. This is vertical and this is horizontal. So here regular hexagon is there. Here also 5 vertices are there. We can say that 5 line of symmetries will get. For this pentagon, for this hexagon 6 vertices are there. We can say 6 line of symmetries are there. So here are some examples. So dear students, thoroughly read these things from your book and try first exercise once yourself. Thank you.